A developer built luxury condos next to a 100-year-old pig farm. He sued the farmer to shut him down because of the unbearable smell. The judge is about to give him a reality check.
Your Honor, the odor is noxious. I have 10 unsold units because nobody can breathe outside. It's a public nuisance. He needs to relocate his livestock or install million-dollar air scrubbers.
My family has raised pigs on this dirt since 1920. He built his condos right up to my fence line. I warned him about the smell during construction.
Sir, you built next to an active agricultural zone. Under the Right to Farm Act, you cannot move to the country and sue a farmer for doing his job. The smell comes with the zip code. Case dismissed.